there.
Hey.
Haven't seen you around in a while.
I know. It's been so crazy with Graham moving back to Atlanta. 2 weeks and he's landed at Goldstein and Myers as an associate.
Well, good for him.
Yeah, but it's been hell on me at the office without him. Where is everybody?
Well, Davis is at baseball and Collier's out there somewhere taking his life in his own hands. He's giving Kelly driving lessons.
Oh, my. It's for you.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's to celebrate.
Yeah, well, you know, I've been thinking that maybe I might want to put off taking that internship at the magazine till next year.
You're getting a case of the cold corporate feet.
Yeah, well, the real world's a scary place when you haven't been part of it in almost 20 years.
Oh, it hasn't changed that much.
The last time I had a real job, I still had nice legs and I was serving people burgers and fries on roller skates. I mean, I never used a cell phone or a pager. And what are those little electronic doohickeys that people put their phone numbers in? I still just use eyeliner on a paper napkin. You know, it's just been too long and now it's too late. Well?
Well, what?
Aren't you going to say something trying to make me feel better?
Okay, let me see. You'll be fine.
Promise.
I promise.
Oh, hey, that's Kel. Turn left, Kelly. Turn left or you're going to hit my car. Oh, my God. Oh, God. God, Renee, I'm so sorry. Oh, my God. Kelly, are you all right? Are you okay?
Any day now.